The love gurus, I would say. Zara taaliyan. Welcome, assalamu alaikum. Please have a seat. हमारे superstars, please have a seat.
The headphones were not connected to anything. This was a very last minute thing.
It's on.
I got the headphones from, who did I get it from? One of the cameramen. उससे headphones लिया. ये जो outfit मैंने पहना हुआ है, हमारे पास outfit नहीं था. So ये मेरी entry थी. तो I was like, नहीं यार, it has to be something, cool.
Yeah.
हम भागे. प्राइमार्क गए और वहाँ एक काला ड्रेस, स्टॉकिंग्स और बूट्स. भागते पहने अपने. And then I was like, but she has to have a bag, So Humayun's wife was there, and I was like, can I have your bag? So even though the entire film has been styled beautifully by Varda, but this specific scene, we did it very quickly. But by that time, I knew exactly who Sophia is.
Yes.
So I knew what to do with it. So the headphones were not connected.
Right.
But Nadeem was playing the main song. Yeah.
That is.
नहीं एडवाइस ये अब हम लोग सॉरी डोमेस्टिक इश्यूज पे आ गए. हम दोनों की एडवाइस मैं दूंगी और हमेशा दूंगी, लेकिन आप सुनेंगे मेरी बात. कसम खाएं सबके सामने.
ये जी वादा कर लिया इन्होंने दुबई में, पक्का वादा. अच्छा ये बताएं, which has been honestly speaking the worst advice that both of you have received when it comes to relationships and love? We would want to know that, the worst advice. कि ये क्या एडवाइस है बाकी किसी ने एक्चुअली आपको दी and it backfired. This has a story, we can see it. Yes?
She will change.
She will change. दिल जाएगी.
कभी नहीं बदलती.
माहिरा?
He just stole my answer. I said this last time when someone asked me.
Yeah,
I said, मैंने कहा he will change.
Yeah.
तो फिर हुमायूं ने मुझे देखा कि भाई मैं क्या बोलूं. मैंने कहा बोल दी she will change. So that's a very good. Nobody changes, whether it's a man or a woman. And I think भाई काम ठीक कर लें. Exactly. लेकिन yeah, so I think I just think that when you say that someone will change, there's such a nobody changes. They change if they want to change.
Correct.
Not because of somebody. And you can't force anybody to change.
Absolutely.
So I think that's not a good advice.
Right. I agree.
यही एडवाइस करती हूँ, आप बदल जाएं. आज भी सुबह यही कहा. अच्छा ठीक है.
ये डोमेस्टिक इश्यूज अभी भी चल रहे हैं यानी के, है ना? Yeah. Would you like to say something?
Just advised him today.
Oh, okay. And what advice did he give you, actually, to be honest? Because it's something you gave him. Too much of change happening over here.
मेरी ऐसी औकात का